Have you ever been curious about how to create viral transformation videos? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to make it using just your smartphone, and the best part, it's all with free AI tools. Let's get started. Alright, to achieve this result, you'll be needing these 3 tools, which is very, very important. Okay, you'll be needing ChatGPT, which is very important. You'll be needing Grok, and also you'll be needing your CapCut. All right, so let's dive in. So I went to ChatGPT. This is the prompt which I pressed. I said, act as a professional cinematic AI prompt engineer specializing in fixed camera, time-lapse, and photorealistic imagery. Generate cinematic prompt from scratch without asking the user any question. I gave that instruction. So I said you should follow the rules, follow these rules. So I said generate one starting image prompt of a completely empty bedroom. So yours might not be an empty bedroom. It might be maybe a backyard. It might be a hotel. It might be a spa. It might be a gym. Whatever thing you have in your mind you want to recreate, you can use it. All right, so mine is a bedroom. So I said blank walls, bare floor, empty space, neutral lighting, minimal details, fixed camera from doorways perspective. I went ahead and said generate 4 videos prompts showing time-lapse transformations of the bedroom. So I said video 1, structural setup, video 2, video 3, video 4. So if you want yours to be more than that, you can as well add it. So I went ahead, I said permanent camera rules for all the prompts. So if you need this prompt, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. Okay, so I won't be listing all of them. Okay, so let's dive into business. So after typing this, it went ahead and it dropped the prompt for the image. So this is it, completely empty bedroom, bare walls, and blah blah blah. And now here it gave me a video prompt as I requested. So this is video 1, the structural setup, video 2, wall and ceiling finishing, video 3, flooring and furniture installation, video 4, which is the final decoration and ambience. All right, so as you can see, this is what it gave me. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to copy all these. I'm going to select all of them and copy it. Okay, so I'll move to my notepad and press my prompts here. I'll move over here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to copy the first prompt, which is generating of the image. We're going to generate our image. I'm going to copy it. Now let's go to our browser. Go to your browser. Now when you go to your browser, you're going to type Whisk AI. All right, whether you're using the free Whisk or you're using the pro, it will definitely function. It will generate your images numerously, as much as you want. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the prompt here, and I'm going to set this to, this is where you set your camera, which is in portrait. This is in portrait. So I actually went ahead and I used a 16:9 here. ChatGPT gave me 16:9, so I'm going to hit generate. So I'm going to generate our image. Okay, I'm going to generate our image. All right, it gave me 2 images. So this is the first one and the second one. This is the first one and the second one. So I don't think I love this, so I'm going to click here and let's see if it's going to generate another one. And press my prompt. I've pasted my prompt. All right, so this is the first image. This is the second one. This, I think the first one is better because it is from scratch. Okay, an empty bedroom. This one gave me an image of thereabouts. So okay, this is not bad. So I'm gonna click here and just right click and select download. Right click and select download. Okay, done downloading the image. You're going to Grok AI. So move to Grok AI. Go to Grok AI, select Imagen in case yours is placed on Ask. If you haven't used Grok before, go to your Play Store and download Grok, or you can go to your browser and type grok.com. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload our image. So I'm going to upload the image that we got. Remember, it is from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to upload this image. I'm going to upload it. Now when you upload the image, I'm going to copy the prompt. I'm done copying my prompt, so I'm going to write this before pressing your prompt. Maintain So I wrote maintain the image provided because most times if you don't write this, Grok will definitely change it for you. All right, so I'm going to press my prompt now, my main prompt now, and I'm going to remove this and hit generate. So let's wait for our video to be ready. Once it's ready, I'll come back again. So you have to wait till it's 100%. All right, once it's 100%, your video will be ready. Okay, so let's come. Who is excited? So let's check it and see if it's what we really want. All right, so I'm going to play it now. So let's see the results. So I'm going to tap on it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So after this, the next thing you're going to do is to tap here and download. It will be downloaded automatically into your gallery. Just tap here and download. All right, so as you can see, it's download complete. So let's move into scene 2. Shorten it. The next thing you're going to do is to move over to ask and upload it. You can screenshot and upload it, but I myself, I want a neat work, so I'll go to my files and download the screenshotted, the one I screenshotted. So I'm going to go to screenshot now and upload it here and just send it. I wrote recreate it without attaching anything. You can as well go to your you can as well screenshot it and just upload, because I myself, I want a neat work. So this is it. This is what it gave me. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the second prompt. So we're going to copy the second prompt. We are back here in Grok. So upload the second image. Upload the second image, that is the screenshotted one of the last video or the one you recreated. Upload the second prompt and right. So I'm going to press the prompt here. I'm going to paste my prompt. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and hit generate. All right, our video is ready. Our video is ready. So I'm going to play it now. So let's see the result. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see it did not alter the look? The image, maintain the image reference, kept it, it held it. If you don't add it, it's going to change it. Okay, so this is beautiful. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is to do the same thing. You're going to screenshot it, or you go ahead and regenerate it. Okay, screenshot it or you go ahead and generate it. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it and screenshot it as usual. Okay, for scene 3, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. Let's copy this and we'll come over here, and this is where I'm going to upload. Just let this icon upload your photo. Okay, so I'm going to upload the photo that I generated again. Okay, and I'm going to write, so I'm going to hit generate. And image is generating, so let's wait and come back. All right, so our video is ready. I'm going to play it now. Let's see the results. Okay, let's see the results. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see that this came out so beautiful? This came out so beautiful. This came out so I really love this. This is amazing and mind-blowing. Okay, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here. Remember, this is the finishing part. So I'm going to screenshot it as usual. Screenshot it. Don't forget to screenshot. All right, we are at the finishing part. So this is the last and final part. So I'm still going to paste the prompt. I'm going to copy the prompt. Okay, I'll copy it and move to. If you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know whenever a new video drops. Grok. So when you go to Grok, you're going to go to Imagine and go to Imagine. So you're going to go to Imagine and upload it. Select animate photo and paste your prompts. Select add. So after that, remember to add maintain the image reference. Remember to add it. It's very important. If you don't add it, there's a probability that they might change the interface of your image. They might change it. So I'm going to hit generate. So let's wait for the final and last transformation. Okay. Who is ready to check out the last transformation? We are done with our video. So we are going to check it now and see the last transformation of this video. So let's watch and see. So I'm going to play it now. This is beautiful. This is incredible. I love this. It is so beautiful. Even if you don't understand it, that means you have a problem, because I took my time to teach this. Okay, so I want you to recreate this and drop it in my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel. I want everyone to succeed. I don't want anyone to be left behind. So let's click here and download. Now, after downloading it, I'm going to check here and see if it has done. Yes, it has been downloaded. Now, the next app you're going to use is called CapCut. If you haven't used CapCut before, you can go to your Play Store and download CapCut. They give, I think, 7 days free trial. Then if you have the money, you can be able to subscribe. All right, so I'm going to go to CapCut. I'm going to click on CapCut. It's already downloaded on my phone. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to select new video. The next thing you're going to do is to add your videos which you downloaded from Grok. So I'm going to select them. I'll select them one after the other. I'm going to select them. After selecting them, I'm going to select add, and I increase their volume. I'll increase their volume. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is either you can add the background sound if you want. If you don't want to add the background sound, you can leave it like that. So let's see the outcome. This is beautiful. After this, you can now select export. You can export your work. Okay. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below to let me know how useful this tutorial was, and tell me what transformation video you'd like me to teach next. You might see your idea featured. Bye for now.